password protecting, timestamping, and views. If you look at a page that you've created, you'll notice that OneNote automatically inserts the date and time that it was created. This is the timestamp. The timestamp is also added to a page when you insert an object such as an audio or video recording, as you learned earlier in this course. To change the date of a timestamp, simply click on the date to select it. A little calendar will appear beside it. Click on the calendar, and a small calendar will open on your page. You can use the left arrow or the right arrow to change the months. You can then select the day from the list that appears to change the day of the note. To change the time of the timestamp, simply click on the time. A little clock will appear. Click on the clock, and a dialog box will appear. This allows you to change the time by clicking on the drop-down arrow and selecting a time. Click OK. You can also insert a timestamp anywhere in your notebook. Go to the Insert tab, then to the Timestamp group. You can simply timestamp the date, the time, or the date and time anywhere in the notebook that you'd like. You should know, however, that OneNote 2013 will insert the current date and time. If you want to change it, you'll need to follow the steps that we just learned to change the time and date. To see different OneNote views that you can choose from, go to the View tab and look in the Views group. So far in this course, we've worked in two views, the normal view and the Dock to Desktop. We already know that Dock to Desktop is the view you want to work in if you're using other applications or a web browser. It's also the view that you use to take linked notes. In normal view, we can see all of our page and section tabs. We also see the navigation pane and any other task panes that we have open, such as the research pane or tags pane. In full page view, however, all we see is the page we're currently working on. We can still see our tabs at the top, such as File and Home, in some situations, but we don't see the ribbon, nor do we see our page and section tabs. If you click on full page view, you can see what I mean. Full page view is great when you want to be able to see more of your page as you enter in notes and other information. As you can see less of your page in normal view than you do in full screen view. To return back to the normal view, click on the double-ended arrow at the top right of the screen. If you want to institute security measures in your notebook to make sure that unauthorized people do not read certain sections, you can apply password protection to these sections. To password protect a section, click on the section tab that you want to protect and then right-click on it. Select Password Protect this section from the drop-down menu. The password protection pane will then appear on the right side of your page. Click the Set Password button. You'll then be prompted to enter a password. Type your password you want to use and then type it again to confirm it. And once you're done, click the OK button. If you have any backups of this section, it'll ask you if you want to delete existing backups or keep the backups. In this example, I'm going to select Keep Existing Backups. In the password protection pane, you can click on the Lock All button if you want to lock the section immediately. Now, whenever you try to access a section you just password protected, you'll see this message. Click inside the note and you'll be prompted to enter your password. You can then see your notes and information for that section.